Got your business finances in a tangle? Spending more time on bookkeeping than on growing your business? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. Most business owners feel the same way, but what if I told you there's a banking platform designed to untangle that mess, giving you back your time and control? That's where Relay Financial comes in. It's a business banking platform built specifically for small businesses. Today, we're diving into 5 Relay Bank features that every business owner should know. Trust me, these aren't just minor perks, they're game changers. First up, multiple accounts for different purposes. This is huge. Instead of one big messy account, Relay lets you create up to 20 individual checking accounts. Think about it, one account for payroll, another for taxes, one for operating expenses, and maybe one for your marketing budget. This makes tracking expenses and staying on budget incredibly simple. No more guessing games. You'll know exactly where your money is going. Next, we have automated bookkeeping. This is a lifesaver, especially if you're a QuickBooks or Xero user. Relay syncs seamlessly with these accounting software platforms. Instead of manually exporting and importing transactions, everything is automatically updated. This not only saves you hours of work but also drastically reduces the risk of human error. Your books are always up to date and ready for tax season. Third, and this one's a big deal for growing teams, role-based permissions. As your business expands, you'll need to give team members access to finances. But you don't want your marketing manager to have the same access as your CFO. Relay lets you set specific, granular permissions for each user. You can give your bookkeeper view-only access, allow a team member to make payments up to a certain limit, or give your accountant full access. It's all about control and security. Fourth, let's talk about the ease of payments. Paying bills and vendors is a breeze with Relay. You can schedule payments, send funds via ACH or wire transfer, and even get clear visibility into who you've paid and when. The platform is clean and intuitive, so you're not fumbling around trying to figure out how to send money. It streamlines your entire accounts payable process, turning a tedious task into a quick one. Finally, we have the fee-free structure. This is a powerful feature for any small business trying to manage cash flow. Relay offers no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no minimum balance requirements. This means more of your hard-earned money stays in your business, working for you. This kind of transparency and simplicity in banking is rare and incredibly valuable. So, to recap, Relay gives you the power of multiple accounts for clarity, automated bookkeeping for efficiency, role-based permissions for security, streamlined payments for ease, and a fee-free structure to protect your cash flow. These aren't just features, they're solutions to the most common financial headaches that small business owners face. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.